Birds and the docks and the ocean singing. The day is born when we look for what the day is truly bringing. Inside, a peace, a happiness and a truth. For what is around us and inside us is in itself the truth. A whisper, a slight breeze, a gentle ripple upon the ocean. Life so beautiful, so full of such rich tokens. And still we wonder if we may walk in this life free. Will it take a huge gamble or a chance for us to be free? Still we can walk, and with it acceptance comes. For once more we can believe and enjoy the radiance of the new day's sun. This poem is for Robert and for myself on a day where I've discovered more of each other's truths and become firmer in friendship. Thank you.